You are going to love the 2020 BMW X4. The BMW X4 provides excellent handling and comes standard with all-wheel drive. The X4 has an attractive interior which is outfitted with extremely high-end materials. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.